back to my channel. So as you know, I have been just swooning over these beautiful flowers. I took this picture as they just bloomed that day. Literally there was nothing on this tree, and then I walked by it on my walk here and it just exploded. So of course I have to paint it. So I did a pink version of this on the channel, and I was going to do a more white version of this because I thought it might be handy for you to see a pinkish white version as well, and how I would handle the details on the flowers in order to reflect that they're white. So we're going to do a really cool, like easy, quick background that's just kind of like a beautiful blur of some gorgeous greens. We're going to incorporate some of these little buds as they're just in here, and we're going to grab a few of these flowers and put that into a piece. So as always, when I start looking at the piece, I think about the color range that I'm going to use. So I usually go with my Roman Szmal because I love how Roman Szmal has this organized for florals and landscapes. It's really a great palette because it really has everything that I need. It's got several greens, so I'll probably use chromium green oxide, hooker's green, Aquarius green, and olive green light, and then come in with a little bit of perylene green if I need to. For the branches, I'm probably going to use the sepia and some cypress burnt umber. For the flowers, I don't know if I'm going to do any granulating on this one because I did granulating on the last one and I really liked it. It was really cool, but this is going to be more of a non-color, right? So if I do need a little bit of the pink, I'm either going to use the quinacridone magenta to pink that out, paired with maybe a little bit of burnt umber, just to, you know, like gray it just ever so slightly. And I think rather than use like a Payne's gray or something, I'm going to play with some different mixes of maybe like a sepia pink or something that will just give me that light shadow look that kind of looks pinky, right? Now there are some granulating colors in here that are just amazing. So we'll toss up between using the sepia with the quinacridone magenta or the Payne's gray. I'm not sure until I start mixing color and get into here. But while you take in this beautiful next painting, I hope you guys are having a great spring so far. I'm painting every single day with the pictures that I take on my walks. So I'm super excited about that. And today I'm going to be using the Princeton line of brushes. So if you want to see a full brush review on all of these, I actually have this on the channel for you so that you can take a look at each individual brush. And if you have any questions about certain brushes that I have from the Neptune or the Aqua Elite line, let me know and I will be happy to show you what each one does that you're interested in. In any case, I will link everything below for you so that you can see what's going on. And yeah, just enjoy the music, and I hope that you enjoy this. Now, if you want to see a demo with the play-by-play, step-by-step on what I'm doing here, that is in real time, of course, I have a watercolor for beginners class, and it's a watercolor flowers for beginners class that you will absolutely adore. It has got so many really cool techniques in there, everything you need to know to get started in your watercolor journey. And I really hope that you sign up and come and check it out. You'll love it. You really will. I've had nothing but great, amazing reviews from it. So I'm really excited about that. All right, let's get started.